Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video for you. This time another mystery brand video, and this time I am going to put this website to test. I'm going to open up 100 boxes. That's right, I'll open up 100 boxes, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up 100 of the Apple Boy boxes because, and well, I'll tell you about it when I get back here. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright, so you guys can see my icon here. I have $474 in my account, and here is the Apple Boy box. Let's go down here and you can see the different items, especially in the red. That's what I want you guys to focus your attention on. I could win Apple Watches, which I have one already too, but I have sold them back so I could get more credit. But you could also win a Apple iPad, some iPhones, a laptop computer, and a desktop computer. When you go into view chances, and I told you guys this in a previous video, that the chances to get an Apple Watch or anything here in red are higher, a lot higher, about 5 times in fact higher than it is when you go to the Elite Apple box. But if you are to do the binomial distribution to determine how what the chances are for getting one of these reds, I'll spare you the details on that, but what I had calculated is that there should be 100% chance, it's basically 99.9999% chance that I would get a red if I were to open 100 boxes. And right now it is still on sale for $9.99, and so I will open up 100 boxes and see like if I could get a red or not, because this website is supposed to be under some rule that they do have fair, I forget the actual term, but it is supposed to be fair as far as the percentage goes. So I'll just count along here, and I did zoom out so I could see the box. Okay, so this is one. Let me zoom out a little bit more. Alright, so I'll sell this, try again, cut it, sale. This is number 2, this is number 3, it says error with the sale item, please try again, sell it. What's going on here? Let's go to profile. My items. There's no items there. So let's go back to boxes. Apple Boy. So this is going to be box number 3, I believe. Okay, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, so 10 boxes so far, and I've only gotten blues. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15, 16, it's not looking good. 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, 20 boxes and still all blues. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, not good at all. 34, 35, 36, 37, good Lord, come on. 38, 39, is that 40? Okay, 40 boxes still only with blue. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, hello. Alright, there's 48. 48 and still all blue. This is ridiculous. 49. 50. Okay, 50 and still all blue. This is crazy. I haven't even gotten a purple yet. 51. 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, jeez. 58, 59, 60. Okay, so 60 boxes, still all blues, and I'm down to $338. This is ridiculous. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71. I finally got my purple. 71. Okay, so I made a little bit of a profit on that one, but I'm gonna sell that because I don't need an Apple TV remote. Okay, I think this is 68. 69. 70. 71. 72. 73. 74. 75. 76. 77. 78. 79. 80. If I do this, 81. 82. 83. 84. 85. 86. 87. 88. Okay, 12 more to go. 89. And if this website is legit, and as far as the fairness goes, it should give me a red. And that was 90. 91. 92. 93. 94. 95. 96. I'm at about $300. 97. 98. 99. Last box. This does not look good. Alright, this is box number 100, and it is a blue. Alright, so well, that sucks, but I did want to do this test. Let me see if there is anything I did not sell. So, nope, nothing in there. Okay, so that was a total failed experiment. And so, yeah, so these odds are really not in the user's favor. And people have said that they do buy things back at a really high number because they want to give you credit, so you keep on playing, because the odds aren't really gonna, you know, get you anything. So I think what I'm gonna do in the next video, I'll just go with the more expensive boxes, and if I do get anything, I'll try to go for one of the more of the, you know, hype beast boxes, and if I do get anything I like, I'll just get that and be done with this this website, because I'm just wasting my money on this website, even though I'm still over what I had originally deposited. I just think I'm going to eventually go down to zero. But yeah, so that does it for this video. Hope you liked it, and until next time, remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.